In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy formatting in Google Sheets using the import range formula. Have you ever found yourself in a position where you need to import data from one Google Sheet to another, but you're not just interested in the values? You want the formatting too? While Google Sheets doesn't directly allow importing formatting, there's a neat trick using 2 steps that can help you get there. Let's dive on in. To start, you'll want to open up the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to import. Take a moment to identify which specific sheet you're interested in because you'll need to access and use this information shortly. Once you have your target sheet open, direct your attention to the URL at the top of your browser. Your critical task here is to identify the spreadsheet ID, which is a sequence of letters and numbers found between the D and or Edit sections of the URL. This ID uniquely identifies your Google Sheet, so ensure you accurately copy it to use in your import range formula. Once you have the spreadsheet ID copied, navigate back to your current Google Sheet. Head over to the next available sheet within this document, often labeled as Sheet 2. If you've already renamed it, that's perfectly fine. Just navigate to the correct one where you plan to bring in the data. Now, choose a destination cell where you want this data to start appearing. Click on that cell to make sure it's active. This is where you'll enter the formula. The essential step now is inputting your import range formula. Begin typing an equal sign, followed by the word import range. Right after that, you'll insert an open parenthesis. Within the parentheses, you'll want to provide the spreadsheet ID you copied earlier, ensuring it's encased in double quotes. After the ID, type a comma, and in a new set of double quotes, define the range you want to import, something like Sheet 1 A1 C10, so you specify exactly which cells will be brought over from the original document. Once you've constructed your formula, it's time to hit the Enter key. Upon pressing Enter, Google Sheets will often prompt a permissions request. This is to make sure you're allowed to access the data from the other sheet. Simply click on Allow Access, and with that, your specified data should begin to populate in your chosen cells. While it's true this process doesn't directly import the formatting, such as fonts, colors, and borders, it serves as the first crucial step by importing the actual data. Later on, you could manually recreate the style or use a third-party tool to transport the formatting if it's vital. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively import data and set yourself up for an organized, efficient workflow. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.